Appreciate it. Another big issue that voters are deciding right now whether to pass a 1-cent sales surtax. The money generated from the penny tax would be used for schools, county, and municipal infrastructure projects as well. The extra money is supposed to generate an estimated $2.7 billion over 10 years. The school district would get half of that. The county will get about a third, and the remaining 20% or so would be split among 39 municipalities, according to population. Of the nearly $1.5 billion public schools would receive, $100 million would be put into plumbing, improving plumbing. $215 million would go toward new air conditioning, and there would also be some money for new buses, computers, and security as well.